Drowning in group project chaos, let's transform that mess into a masterpiece of collaboration using Trello. First, create a new Trello board and give it a clear, descriptive name. This will be your central hub. Next, invite your team members to join the board, click the share button, and add their email addresses. Now, create lists to represent the stages of your project. Common lists include to-do, in progress, and completed, but customize them to fit your workflow. Create cards for each individual task within the project. Click Add a card, name the task, and then assign it to the responsible team member by clicking Members and selecting their name. Set deadlines for each task to keep everyone on track. Open a card and click Due Date to set a date and time. Break down large tasks into smaller, manageable steps by adding checklists to the cards. This helps track progress within each task. Use the comment section on each card for clear and direct communication. Ask questions, provide updates, and share relevant resources, keeping all project-related discussions centralized. As team members work on tasks, they can move the cards across the list to reflect the current status. This gives everyone a visual overview of the project's progress. And that's it. With these simple steps, Trello can transform your group project from a source of stress to a smoothly coordinated success. Now go conquer those shared goals.